Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about my plus size journey. The reason why I'm doing this video is I at least want to inspire one person who's watching this video on self love and self acceptance because I believe self love and self acceptance can change and do miracles in your life. And I'm a living example of that, and I'm very proud to say that. So, where do I begin? Let me begin with my story, my plus size journey, and how it has been and how it has evolved over the years. So, let us go back, 5 or 8 years back, and let me talk about how the plus size fashion industry has evolved. So when I was in college, that was like in 2008 or like 2012, around that time, when I was in college, when I used to go shopping, and I'm always a fashion lover, and I have been a fashion lover since since childhood, I would say, because my mom was very fashionable, so my idea of fashion was very different, and I really love to be fashionable. So when I used to go shopping during my college times, and I used to go to shop, I used to be very excited like any other girls about shopping. And when I go, I used to find some outfits which are very nice with beautiful designs and prints. I used to take that and I used to go to the trial room and try those clothes. And when I try it the fitting wouldn't be nice, or it would be tight in my bust area or in my hip area. So I used to come back and ask the salesperson, like, do you have a bigger size in this, a larger size in this? And he would be like, no ma'am, this is the last size. And I would return with disappointment because hardly I used to find any clothes. Then after some years, then again when I used to go to shopping, same thing used to happen to me. And the change was, in some shops they used to tell me, ma'am, we do have plus size, do you want to try that? So that was the first time I was introduced to the word called plus size, and I was like, oh yeah, let me try that. So when I used to try those plus size, when I used to go, not even try, when I used to go and see that plus size clothes, I'll be like, oh, they are so boring. They used to be like solid plain color kurtas, very normal, and there's no much prints going on, and there's no the fashion which I was seeing others wearing, I couldn't find that for plus size. And I used to feel so bad about it. And let me talk about the second part of my plus size journey. So this was the first part where I used to go to shop and find nothing at all. So the second part is, and finally one day I decided, fine, I'm not getting any clothes of my size, even though I get the fitting is like it is tight in my arm area or somewhere. So okay, let me check that, and let me move on to tailoring. Let me buy clothes and let me get it stitched. So what I did was, I totally moved out of western outfit, and I thought I'll go only with salwars. So I used to buy the salwar materials and I used to get it stitched. And the biggest problem in this was finding a tailor. My god, that was the biggest flop actually, this idea. When I used to get it stitched, and when I start wearing those, again the clothes wouldn't fit me. I used to find it so difficult to wear those clothes, and at last I have to either give it to someone, or I have to just leave it in my wardrobe. It used to be lying there. So tailoring was the biggest flop. So even the option 2 didn't work for me, but somehow I managed to get clothes. Somehow I managed. My fashion was not like today, I would say. Now I'm in much better place, I would say. But before, I was not like, I used to wear whatever I get. The only thing was I have to get a cloth. So I used to manage like that. So now I would say, now like from past 4 or 5 years, the fashion industry, the plus size fashion industry has evolved so much, and it is evolved so beautifully. So today I find lot of Indian brands. There was a time that we had to buy clothes from western brands, from western countries, and we have to order, and you have to pay for the shipping and all those things. You have to pay custom. There were a lot of things involved in that, but now the things have changed. There are a lot of Indian brands which are doing so amazing job, and you can just order from them. I would like to mention few Indian brands like All, Pantaloons, West Side. These are some of the amazing brands which are doing amazing job, and their outfits are amazing. You can check out them and you can also head to my Instagram. Yeah, I am promoting my Instagram, I know that, but please go check out my Instagram because I do lot of outfits there. I share lot of outfit ideas, styling, and also please just check out my Instagram. Yeah, so coming back to the point, so there are a lot of Indian brands and I will be doing a video on that. And there are a lot of brands which are coming up on Instagram and doing plus size. So nowadays, yeah, I do agree, in fashion industry, plus size fashion is limited compared to other fashion or compared to other normal size. I do accept that, but at least let me tell you this, something is better than nothing, right? At least now, because I have been there, I have been in in a stage where I couldn't find any clothes for me, but now I at least have option, and they are really good option, guys. So better try all those things. And another thing that I wanted to share is, I want to share two mantras with you, two fashion mantras. One is, fashion is for everyone. Those who are plus size or maybe who are thin, please don't limit yourself. Fashion is for everyone. So this is my first mantra. So fashion is for everyone. So try, explore, go out and try all sort of clothes. And color is for everyone. Every outfit is for everyone, right? You have to try those, explore. Don't limit yourself, don't shy away. Once you start accepting the way you are, everyone is going to accept you. But that is not the point. You have to accept yourself, and you should be happy when you are so confident, when you wear those clothes, and when you feel good, it will radiate and you will spread positivity. That's what I believe in. And the second fashion mantra of Sindhu is, comfort is, comfort is fashion, comfort is style. This is what I believe. If you are not comfortable in a particular outfit, don't wear it. But sometimes I also believe that you have to go out of your comfort zone and try those, and just give it some time. Over a period of time you might get comfortable with it, but if you're really uncomfortable with some outfit, please don't wear it. So comfort is style according to me. So all that I wanted to share with you all is, please explore, don't limit yourself, be confident, try everything. There is a lot of things to explore. Now we have a whole lot of Instagrammers and bloggers who are doing great job. They are like showing us how can we style our clothes. Even for plus size, I see a lot of bloggers. So the things have changed, time has evolved, fashion industry has evolved. There is a lot more to try. Don't shy away, everyone is beautiful. Every beauty comes in all size, shape, color, etc. Like, beauty is not only the perfect figure, which people call it perfect. I don't know who calls it perfect, but yeah, everyone are perfect in their own ways. So find, try to love yourself. Try to accept yourself the way you are. You have to be healthy, there's no question about that. We all have to be healthy. But see, I have been on the heavier side. This is, maybe it is because of genetically I'm like this, or someone is maybe because of some issues. We can't comment on that, it's okay. So please love yourself, please accept yourself, explore fashion, do what you feel is right for you. Don't limit yourself, don't shy away. Please let me know if you like this video. Please comment down below and let me know what you feel and how you feel. And if you want to know more about plus size, anything, you can DM me on Instagram, you can comment down below this video. I'm there to help. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please let me know. In my next video, I'll be talking about Indian brands. I'll be introducing you to a lot of brands and I'll be telling what sort of outfits they have. Okay, I'll see you in my another video. Bye bye.